Okay, y'all, welcome back in the ever so interesting life of Duckett Productions. Today, we're going to be fixing a pig pen. It's me how-to video almost. It is just now 7 a.m. Okay, yesterday, I had to bury us a little piglet, and I had to move their pen, okay? Because where they were at, the big pen that we made is sinking into the mud, and I wanted them on dry ground and have their enclosure over some vegetation so they can eat more than just what we feed them, so they can root around and do dumb stuff. Alright, I'm going to be fast forwarding this video to us building the pen. This is how to, so stay tuned, y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Alright, y'all, we're walking over here toward the pigs now. I'm going to be showing y'all this pen that we have built now. It's a nice little enclosure type thing. A bunch of pigs, and we even got a goat in there. So, it's not this pen that we're fixing. It's this other one, the smaller one, the isolation pen, where the ones that were getting bullied by these pigs can get a little bit stronger. Alright, so right now, see this pile of bricks right here? That pile of bricks, I'm going to move all the way over here to this pen. Where's it at? How do I do this? Motherfuckers. There it is. Okay? And that pen right there, I moved out of the mud, which, sorry, the camera quality is shitty. See where they were at before, right here in the mud? Fuck shit. Well, when I moved them, I kind of messed their pen up a little bit, which it looks like they're all there still. That's a good news. So, there's that. Stay tuned. Thank you. Alright, y'all. So right here, where's that? Right there. Okay? They started rooting up a little hole. So, we are going to fill this little spot up here with bricks so they can't root out. And in the next video I make, alright, I'm getting chicken wire. And you see, right here on the ground, if I attach chicken wire to this, it makes it where it goes back all the way around the pen. They'll be standing on chicken wire and they can't, like, root up under the fence. Y'all see me? So, yeah, see, these guys over here were the weaklings, the ones that were getting bullied in the general population. You see this brick? Thank you. See, it's quite simple. This is just a temporary fix, y'all. Just had a temporary fix pen. Just start shoving them in there like that. See what I'm saying? Start shoving them in there. Alright, y'all. I'm going to continue doing this. If y'all like this video, check back in tomorrow for me fixing the pen with chicken wire. Thank you.